All right. It's been a couple of months since I'm not right up next to it, so it's going to sound weird. Been waiting a couple of months to finally unbox this. Delicious Party Pretty Cure finally showed their 7th episode this past week. I ordered this back in February, and it's been sitting here all shut. I've already scored some of these lines, and it's a doll I got off of. And I'll say right now, I got off of Hobbylink Japan. And as I can recall, they have only one of these left. Oh boy. You have her packed to the bottom. Oh boy. Very securely packed. I had to sign for it. This is the Cure Yum Yum doll. So far, this is like the second Pretty Cure doll I have like this. But she's my 4th doll overall because I have 2 that were bought off eBay years ago. Pre-owned. Oh boy. That is quite the doll. Lots of detail there. So, pretty impressive. She was a reasonable price. It's the shipping that really killed. Oh my word. Let me take a little look at her. Oh my. Will I ever remove her from box? I probably will. I like the hip swivel dance that she does in the ending theme. And she's also, if you consider one other thing, she's also the shortest of the 3 in this series. Let me see if I gotta cover up the camera. Yeah. Oh my word. Everything's in there. Awesome. Oh, I can't wait to take her out of the box. Well, maybe I should. Hold on. All right. Out of the box. She's got some hold downs and tie downs. I want to get a look at her from the back. Okay, here she is out of the packaging. Got the Odongo buttons right there. Oh boy. Can I zoom out? Well, here we go. Wow, that's glue. That's really shiny. See, point on the back here. Those are her shoes. Yeah, I bought these so I could take a look at them. I'm very happy with this purchase. She's Chinese themed. She got men there on her thingy. Cool. I think these are called spit curls or whatever. Yeah. So totally worth the trouble what it took to get her. And the price. The price was reasonable. Because, if you try to buy certain things now, people rip you off. So that's 5 minutes with me unboxing this. She's as exquisitely made as everything as you see here. Wow. Yeah, I have Cure Egret with a Cure Egret as a doll in a box. I got it for $15 at an anime convention years ago, and then I bought Cure Black and Cure White from eBay, and they were missing a few things. But hey, you know, they were $18 and a little bit of shipping back then. Still have them. All right. Hope you enjoyed this. Like, share, subscribe. I don't care. It's all the same. I'm doing this as just a means to share video with people. And if you like it, that's great. And if you don't, well, there's other people to unlike. So thank you for watching.